Step into the world of Dumpee Dumpsters, where we revolutionize waste management with our unparalleled services in Augusta, Georgia. Experience the luxury of our roll-off dumpster rental in Augusta, Georgia. This service transforms waste disposal into a smooth and effortless process. We pride ourselves on offering more than just a dumpster rental service at Dumpee Dumpsters. We provide a comprehensive solution to your waste management needs. Whether decluttering your space, renovating your home, or managing a construction site, our roll-off dumpsters are custom-made to meet your unique requirements. Our mission at Dumpee Dumpsters transcends the ordinary. We aim to revolutionize the entire waste management experience. As your dedicated partner, we are committed to creating a clutter-free, organized space in Augusta, Georgia. Visit our website at www.dumpeedumpsters.com and witness how we elevate waste disposal to unprecedented levels, ensuring a cleaner and more organized environment for you. Contact us at 706-383-7007 and experience the difference of roll-off dumpster rental in Augusta, Georgia, where efficiency meets excellence, and your satisfaction is our priority. Don't forget to explore our junk removal services for a complete solution to your space transformation needs.